NBA players don't collect cars. They build rolling luxury museums. From silent Rolls-Royce SUVs to million-dollar hypercars, today we're stepping inside the garages of NBA superstars to reveal the luxury cars most popular with elite athletes. And stay till the end, because number one is the unofficial king of NBA garages. Number 10, Porsche Taycan Turbo GT. Many NBA players are moving into electric performance, and the Taycan Turbo GT is quickly becoming a favorite. With instant torque, futuristic interiors, and sports car acceleration, this luxury EV fits perfectly into the lifestyle of modern athletes. The cabin feels like a cockpit from the future, filled with curved digital displays, premium leather, and ambient lighting. Several NBA stars have been spotted driving Taycans because it delivers both performance and everyday usability. Starting near $200,000, this is often the entry point into elite athlete electric garages. Number 9, Dodge Challenger Demon 170. While many players love luxury, some still crave raw American muscle. The Demon 170 is one of the most powerful production muscle cars ever built. With brutal acceleration, aggressive styling, and extreme rarity, it has become a collector favorite among athletes who love straight-line speed. Several NBA players have added Demons to their garages as weekend machines. Prices have already climbed well beyond their original tags, making this both a performance weapon and an investment car. Number 8, Tesla Cybertruck. Custom builds. Custom Cybertrucks are exploding in celebrity and athlete circles. From matte black armored builds to chrome-wrapped show cars, NBA players are transforming Cybertrucks into personal statements. Its brutalist design, massive road presence, and fully electric drivetrain make it one of the most recognizable vehicles in any city. Inside, it's minimalist, futuristic, and tech-heavy, perfect for athletes who love innovation. Number 7, Ferrari Purosangue. Ferrari's first luxury performance SUV instantly became an athlete favorite. The Purosangue offers Ferrari power in a practical four-door body, making it perfect for daily use without sacrificing supercar status. The naturally aspirated V12 handcrafted interior and extreme exclusivity have attracted multiple NBA players who wanted something rarer than the typical Urus. Prices often exceed $500,000, depending on customization. Number 6, Bentley Bentayga. The Bentayga has long been one of the most common sights outside NBA arenas. Its hand-stitched interiors, rear executive seating, and powerful engines make it the perfect balance of comfort and prestige. Many players choose Bentaygas for daily driving because they offer Rolls-Royce levels of luxury with a sportier edge. Customized Bentaygas with special leathers, wheels, and interiors are extremely popular among elite athletes. Number 5, Brabus G-Wagon. Standard G-Wagons are everywhere. Brabus G-Wagons are not. These ultra-customized machines offer outrageous styling, massive power upgrades, and interiors that look like private lounges. NBA players love Brabus builds because they're aggressive, rare, and instantly recognizable. Prices often double or triple standard G-Class models, easily crossing the $400,000 mark. Number 4, Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. This SUV is built for players who want full first-class comfort. The Maybach GLS 600 features reclining rear seats, champagne coolers, massage functions, and whisper-quiet cabins. It's one of the most common luxury SUVs owned by superstar athletes who prefer to be chauffeured. Smooth, powerful, and extremely prestigious, this has become a symbol of arrival in professional sports. Number 3, Lamborghini Urus Mansory editions. The Urus dominates athlete garages, but many NBA stars go even further with Mansory conversions. These builds add forged carbon bodies, wild interiors, massive wheels, and huge horsepower upgrades. The result is an SUV that feels more like a rolling supercar than a family vehicle. For players who want attention, sound, and street presence, this is a go-to choice. Number 2, Bugatti Chiron. A small number of NBA players have crossed into true hypercar territory, and Bugatti is the ultimate flex. The Chiron is more than a car. It's a global symbol of success. With over 1,000 horsepower, extreme rarity, and 7-figure prices, owning one places an athlete among the world's elite collectors. When a Bugatti enters a garage, everything else becomes background. Number 1, Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This is the unofficial king of NBA garages. The Cullinan is the most commonly owned ultra-luxury SUV among NBA superstars. It offers massive presence, unlimited customization, starlight headliners, champagne compartments, and ride quality smoother than most private jets. Nearly every major NBA city has players driving Cullinans. Prices easily reach $600,000 to $700,000 once customized. For elite athletes, the Cullinan is not transportation. It's a statement. These aren't just cars, they're trophies on wheels. If you were an NBA superstar, which one would be in your garage? Comment below and subscribe for more elite car culture.